Meet the L'OR Lucente Pro, a high-quality Italian design coffee capsules machine built for professional use and exclusively developed to get the best coffee quality out of the L'OR aluminium capsules, offering your guests and employees the authentic L'OR coffee experience. Unlike standard retail coffee machines, it's suitable to serve up to 25 cups a day, delivering all your employees and visitors with premium quality coffee pleasure throughout the day. The machine comes equipped with a large water reservoir and waste bucket. Cleaning and refilling throughout the day will no longer be necessary. In addition, the coffee brewer has a lifetime of up to 6 times longer than a normal retail coffee machine, so there's no need to buy a new one over and over. The L'OR Lucente Pro is a plug-and-play machine that offers choice and variety with our range of intriguing and surprising L'OR coffee capsules. L'OR, blended for pleasure.